Night mode. It's really good. Like all the pictures from like Blackpool and that last weekend.
Sack it off.
Didn't it work?
No.
You.
It didn't stay on long enough. Did you like yours, Michael?
No.
Right? No, it didn't stay on long enough.
Alright.
The stick went out.
Yeah, it's gone off.
Yeah, that's what I mean, it's gone out.
That's a bit shit.
Yeah.
I thought these taper things were supposed to work.
First do, but obviously they don't.
A lot of people go to that fire shop down Heddle, don't they?
Yeah. Cheap. Come on, you sausage, there we are.
Sausage?
Sausage, yeah.
Oh, let sausage out.
These are nice little bright ones, shall we?
Yeah.
Lights come back on again. So, look at that, the lights back when the fireworks are on.
Okay.
Okay.
That's spooky. Every time you light a firework, that light comes on, and when the firework goes off, it goes off.
Hello. Oh, hello.
Where is that light anyway?
James having a party.
It's still lit, Andrew, because I
Yeah,
can see
no.
orange.
I need to do this one anyway.
Where is that light?
See, look, Jessica.
Not really.
Come here.
What?
Oh yeah.
Is that light in the corner,
There you
Jack?
go.
Yeah, that light's in the corner.
Yes, where your dad thing is.
That's probably Dad's
Your
way of saying you
dick.
approve. Gary.
Mm,
Yeah, that's
funny.
Grandma's way of saying he approves of the fireworks.
Probably.
That's the best thing about fireworks. Lighting up the sky has got a whole different meaning in if there's someone actually up there.
Yeah, exactly.
It used to be standard fireworks, these unique selling point. Light up the sky with standard fireworks.
Mm.
That's how they used to advertise it.
Ready for that wicker stick, Mikey?
Because we met a guy,
Oh,
yes,
You missed that one.
Karen and I met a guy in Blackpool at the
Who
ballroom.
does all the indoor fireworks
It
for
does
all the
pyrotechnic.
ballroom and film effects?
yeah.
And
we
he was
met
showing
him.
us how he does it in the ballroom. The stuff that they're doing there was, whoa.
It was mind blowing.
Wow.
And he worked for standard fireworks.
That's one thing I haven't been into yet. Ballroom.
Yeah,
It's very impressive.
it's great.
Ballroom and tower next year.
We've been to the circus, so we went to the ballroom as well.
Yeah, we went to the circus, but it's honestly that circus it drove me crazy.
Yeah, big one.
Nah.
No.
Up, down, stairs. I fell down the stairs twice.
Hey, xylophone today we go. I like this one. Here we go, Let's get that.
Oh, here we go, Karen. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Battery one, Karen.
Very nice.
Oh, yes, it's very active, don't they?
Right, how's ya? Right, that one, don't you? Oh, this is a bit of a go on, Karen.
I like that one.
Right, that one, Andrew.
Don't worry, Chris.
Yeah, you finished that.
Karen, still going.
Hello.